A tiny moon with a big name, introducing Cyllene. This small celestial body orbits the gas giant Jupiter, and though it may not be as famous as some of its larger siblings, it holds its own unique charm. Out in the vastness of our solar system, Jupiter reigns supreme with its many moons. These moons vary greatly in size and characteristics, each contributing to the fascinating diversity of the Jovian system. Among them is a small, intriguing moon named Cyllene. Despite its diminutive size, Cyllene has captured the interest of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. You might also see it written as Jupiter 48, its official designation. This numerical label helps scientists keep track of the many moons orbiting Jupiter. Don't worry about trying to pronounce that. The name Cyllene is much easier to remember and say. What we do know about Cyllene is quite interesting, even if it's just a tiny dot in our telescopes. This moon is part of the Pasiphae group, a collection of retrograde irregular moons that orbit Jupiter in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation. Its discovery adds to our understanding of the complex gravitational interactions in the Jovian system. Spotted from Earth, Cyllene's discovery. This tiny moon, orbiting Jupiter, remained hidden from our view for centuries. Cyllene wasn't known to us for a long time. It was one of the many celestial bodies that eluded our detection. It was only in the year 2003 that a team of astronomers, led by Scott S. Shepard, spotted this tiny moon. Their dedication and advanced technology made this discovery possible. They were using a powerful telescope at the Mauna Kea observatories in Hawaii. The clear skies and high altitude of Mauna Kea provided the perfect conditions for such a discovery. Like many astronomical discoveries, it was given a temporary name, S2003 J13, until it got its official name. The process of naming celestial bodies is meticulous and follows strict guidelines. Cyllene, named after a nymph from Greek mythology, is one of Jupiter's many moons. It is a part of the Pasiphae group, a collection of moons that share similar orbits and characteristics. Understanding these moons helps scientists learn more about the formation and evolution of our solar system. Each discovery, like that of Cyllene, adds a piece to the cosmic puzzle. A distant dance. Cyllene's orbit around Jupiter. Cyllene orbits Jupiter at a great distance, much farther out than the more famous Galilean moons. It takes about 2.4 Earth years for Cyllene to complete one orbit around the giant planet. Cyllene's orbit is also unusual because it's tilted and goes in the opposite direction of Jupiter's rotation. We call this a retrograde orbit. Myths and moons, the story behind the name. Astronomers like to give celestial bodies names from mythology. Cyllene got its name from a beautiful mountain nymph in Greek mythology. She was said to be the daughter of Zeus, who is the Greek equivalent of the Roman god Jupiter. This nymph was associated with mountains and forests, a far cry from the cold vacuum of space. Among distant cousins, Cyllene and the Pasiphae group. Cyllene is part of a fascinating group of moons that share similar orbits around the gas giant Jupiter. These moons, though small and seemingly insignificant, hold a wealth of information about the early solar system. They are like pieces of a cosmic puzzle, each one contributing to our understanding of how planets and moons form and evolve over time. Astronomers call this intriguing collection the Pasiphae group, named after the largest moon in the group, Pasiphae. This group of moons is unique because they all follow retrograde orbits, meaning they move in the opposite direction to Jupiter's rotation. This unusual characteristic suggests a violent past, possibly involving collisions or captures. The moons in this group are all small and have irregular shapes, which indicates that they have not undergone significant geological activity. Their surfaces are marked by craters and ridges, telling tales of ancient impacts and cosmic events that have shaped them over billions of years. They are also very dark, reflecting very little sunlight. This low reflectivity is due to their composition, which is likely rich in carbonaceous material. These dark surfaces absorb most of the sunlight that hits them, making them appear as shadowy figures against the backdrop of space. We believe these moons might be captured asteroids, snared by Jupiter's immense gravity long ago. This capture theory is supported by their irregular shapes and retrograde orbits. If true, these moons are ancient relics from the early solar system, offering a glimpse into the chaotic environment that existed billions of years ago. Cyllene, despite its small size, gives us a peek into the complex history of our solar system. Its presence among the Pasiphae group is a reminder of the dynamic processes that continue to shape our cosmic neighborhood. Each moon, no matter how small, plays a part in the grand story of our solar system's evolution. It reminds us that there are still many mysteries out there waiting to be discovered. As we continue to explore and study these distant worlds, we uncover more about the origins and evolution of our own planet. The Pasiphae group, with Cyllene as one of its members, stands as a testament to the enduring mysteries of space and the endless quest for knowledge.